Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games. Easy and quick. First, all you need to do just wait, I will show you the problem. The problem is when you click on it, it says running and then it went back to launch, or it's just stucking on running. And now I will show you how to fix it. Just click here, right click here, and then click task manager, and once you're here, scroll down until you find here Rocket League, and that's it. Now just click on it and then click in task, and if you can't find it here, just click details, and now scroll down, scroll until you find Rocket League. Wait, where is it? And that's it, Rocket League. Now just click on it, right click, and then click in task and end process, and now just go back and try again, and wait, and that's it. As you see, I hope that can help you. It's easy, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.